Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a protein smoothie. This smoothie is gonna contain some ingredients such as Greek yogurt, almond, banana, strawberry, pumpkin seeds, oatmeal, and I think as far as ingredient, that'll be it. Okay, so I already put some banana inside the blender, some almond and some strawberries. Now we're gonna follow up with the yogurt. Add some yogurt, at least 3 spoons. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. The yogurt that I'm using today is a no-fat Greek yogurt. It has a vanilla flavor, and I really like it. It has a lot of proteins, and it's very rich in potassium. And it has like a sweet, mild flavor to it. But it's also one of the features is it's very low in calories. It only has 140 calories per serving. Another ingredient that we're gonna use is pumpkin seeds, which are very high in protein. These are really beneficial, has a lot of great benefits, and has iron and zinc. Okay, so now I use a handful of those. Okay, what else we're gonna use today? We're gonna use some oatmeal. I use rolled oats. Is an oatmeal that they have for sale at any organic store. I got this one from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna pour at least 1 full cup of oatmeal and pour it inside the blender. Okay. Another ingredient that we're gonna use today that is very high in protein, you probably have it in your kitchen at this moment, is egg. Yes, you heard me, egg. I'm gonna take 1 egg and I'm gonna put it inside the blender with the rest of the ingredients, okay? And don't worry, when you put the egg inside the blender with the rest of the ingredients, it's not gonna have any flavor to it, because the strawberry, almonds, and all this stuff, it will eliminate the egg flavor, and also the yogurt. Which other ingredient? I'm gonna use some almond milk. I'm gonna pour at least half a cup of almond milk. Okay, we're almost done. And now we have to put the tap on top of it. And yes, well, now the smoothie is ready to be served. So I'm just gonna pour some. This is the final product, what it looks like. Okay, this is a protein smoothie. Hopefully you like this video, and next time you're gonna prepare yourself a smoothie, you can find some of those ingredients in your kitchen. Otherwise, you can go out and get them. And thank you for watching this video, and just make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave your comments down below. Thank you for watching.